Welcome to Triple J Cleaning. Are your carpets starting to show signs of wear and tough stains? Everyday life can take tolls on your carpet, but that doesn't mean you have to live in it. Here at Triple J, we believe in thorough care. Our process begins with a commercial vacuum to lift dirt and debris. The final step is the extraction, which pulls the grime away, leaving your carpets fresh and almost like new. We then apply a specialized pre-spray to break down the tough spots, followed by the meticulous CRB scrubbing for deep cleaning. And here's the result: bright, refreshed, and revitalized carpets breathe new life into your space. Our commitment is your satisfaction: clean carpets, clean home, and a happy life.
This is the result.
Ready for a carpet transformation? Contact Triple J Cleaning today, or visit our website, or give us a call to schedule your cleaning. Our commitment is your satisfaction: clean carpets, clean home, and a happy life.
Spots are gone. Used to be a bunch of spots right there. They're gone. Let's see right here. It was a red thing. It's gone too. Triple J Cleaning of Omaha.